G'day viewers, Sean from Blue Wire Motorsport. We are in the garage of Plenty. Lots of cars getting built and put together. So let me just run down few things we're doing. So behind me, we've got the replica Peter Williams in 77, the red RA40, and I'll show you what we're doing to it. So we're removing the rubber bars that used to be on this, and we're going to replace it with some second gen Celica bars, which is RA40A, and this one's a bit daggy, but they all need to be black anyway, so we'll get that chrome all rubbed off and get rid of all that rust, make this work. The rear one is not so bad, so that's come up all right, but eventually we'll put that on. It should be just a straightforward bolt, since it's virtually the same car. And the back's the same, we just got to do the back. The stick is there just to hold the boot up because the spoiler is making it so heavy the springs won't hold it up. So maybe fitting a strut is probably the way to go. We remove that rear bar. These bumper bars weigh a ton. No wonder they took them off to race back in the 80s. So that all worked out well. And we've got the BMW 202 here, which is heading off to AMF this weekend. Adelaide, we got awesome 4, which needs a new blower belt, so we'll get that blower belt shortly. And we've got the Skid Dragon. So I've been working on Skid Dragon, so I'm just trying to make up the dash and everything to see what fits. And with the new Heltec switches, I might get rid of the steering wheel. I think I'm going to change this steering wheel and go maybe a different brand and take these switches off, because now I've got the switches in the dash, so I don't really need the switches on the wheel. Yep, can't use them. I think I'm going to change that, maybe use that on the 77 Celica race car, not on this one. It's good for that, but I need something a little bit simple, something I can see through the steering wheel and not see switches. So what I'll do, I've got a delivery today, so let's go see the delivery. It's a stinking hot day in Adelaide, and it's like 40 plus. Let's go and see what it got for delivery. Thanks to our friends at Raceworks, we have the new Skid Dragon gear. Alright, let's have a look here. So I've got some carbon fibre, so I can do some plates. See that there? Yeah, just going to do some base plates for it, just to make it look a bit better. And there it is there, the new Raceworks steering wheel. So I'm going to get it's like a deep dish, so I got the wheel at my face. So I've got that little Raceworks center cap. My horn will be somewhere else. Let's get that out. What else have I got here? Alright, and I've got a toe, like a toe section, so I'll make that work. I'll fit that on there. Not that I'm going to use it, because who wants to be towed off? Not me. Or towed anywhere. Alright, no worries. Put that one there. And plastic out. So I've decided to go some harnesses. Racework harnesses. 2 of. Look at them little babies. Yeah, that's perfect. So that's going to go well. Oh, yeah, it's got that. Oh, yeah, it's got everything in it. How's this? Wait. There you go. That's cool. All right, excellent. All right, so we're going to use some Raceworks. Thanks, Raceworks. We are going to do the job and get you in the car. All right, we're going to see what we can do. And I forgot to mention, we just got our twin cam for the 77, for the replica. That has a Solex on it. Thank you, Vinny. Just got this in from Queensland, so we'll get that sorted out. Maybe we'll get that looked at from Forza More and get them to go over it to see if it's going to run. And yeah, that will work well. This was off a show car that actually had a clear dizzy cap. That would have been cool to see that spark at night. Anyway, just a few things that we are doing at the workshop. So if you like what we're doing, click and subscribe down the bottom. Don't be shy. And I'll catch up with you soon with some cool automotive, motorsport, running gear. Maybe that A&RG is going to be flapped into the red one and see what we can do. All right, ciao for now.